guys, welcome to an all-new episode of Conflicts. Today I'm excited to show you an all-new Comic-Con exclusive. This here is the Mega Construx Pokémon series, Gengar. That's right, it is the most infamous ghost Pokemon that I'm excited to go ahead and unbox as well as build. Now, if you want to get your very own, be sure to check out the pre-sale link down below in the description. So without further ado, let's go ahead and unbox this thing and see what's on the inside. So this here is our box. It's actually a fairly nice cube-shaped box. It's like matte black with a high gloss black finish. So you see Pokemon, it says Mega Construx, Build Beyond, and then you see like different like features here. So like this looks like almost like a scary movie scene, and then you have like Gengar right over there in the shadows, as well as on this side, and then on this side. And then on the bottom here it just says Gengar. You can actually see the image of the buildable block set itself, and then there's a barcode. So this kind of slides off just like that. Oops. And then we have ourselves another box. Now this one's actually kind of interesting. It does have a very interesting graphical image. So this here is Gengar. It's actually a very high quality finish once again. And then in the shadows you do see a different like silhouettes of Gengar throughout the box itself. So all around it you'll see him right there, and then even on this side here you'll see another image of Gengar. Whoa, it looks really cool. Definitely a very nice artistic piece, and I'm not exactly sure how this opens up. So this here's the bottom, and then this here's like the top, so I'm assuming you just kind of, oh, whoa, that is really wicked. So it almost looks like a diorama kind of feel to it. So it's got like a pop-up feel. Look at that. So it just kind of opens up like that. So this here almost looks like a display case. So once you build it, you can actually put it on here. It actually almost has like a velvet kind of feel to it. You can actually see the high quality print in this sense. And it's actually got like 1, 2, 3, 4 different, like a variety of different layers on there. So that's really nice. Now it does appear there's 2 different pockets. So let's go ahead and I'll open the right side first. See what's here. Okay, and then all right, so it looks like we have like a little booklet, and then we have a few different pieces here. So these here are the different block pieces to go ahead and build our Gengar. So I'm going to close that off for right now and take a look at this. So again, you know, we have that shadow silhouette kind of feel to it with the matte black and the high gloss black. So you see the shadow of Gengar kind of sitting or standing in the forest. And then even on the back here, there's no Gengar, but here there is. So definitely a very interesting design. And then, oh wow, look at that. So we have ourselves a instruction manual here. Now, yep, here we go, step by step how to go ahead and build this guy. So he does have glowing bricks and, you know, etc., etc. So, you know, very simple, and it does come with the setup here. And yep, there you go. So you actually use this as a diorama. So you can go ahead and use it as a pop-up platform, and, you know, put it someplace dark as the eyes do glow, and it uses a pressure sensor. And then you have a few other different variations of the other characters that you can purchase, so just keep that in mind as well. So definitely very nice, and he's like doing a little dance right there at the end. So we'll go and put that to the side for now, and then we'll go ahead and look at the other side here. So this will just lift up just like this. There you go. And interesting. So over here we have more parts. So it looks like you have like a Poké Ball or a switch. We have our LED, as well as a few other different things going on over there. So definitely it'll come in handy in building it. And then we have a variety of different parts here. Again, all going towards building our Gengar. So with that being said, let's go ahead and cue up that montage and build this bad boy. Alright, so our Gengar is finally done. It actually looks really nice on the display piece. So, you know, you got Gastly, you got Hunter, and you got Gengar in the middle here. Now, he just kind of stands right on here, so it does come with a platform. So the platform has like a tree right here, and you got like that Poké Ball, and then it stands on this finish right here. So that goes in the middle here. It's got like a little indentation in the middle where it just kind of slides in right there. So it kind of holds it in place. Now this here is Gengar, actually pretty interesting build. So you kind of build the back part of it first, and then the last piece is literally the front, which is just the face. But I really like how they kind of built it, especially like the hands and then the ears. So you can actually go ahead and like maneuver different things. So you can maneuver the hands like that, as well as like the ears. The tail goes up and down as well, and then like it's actually like shooting a ball right here, so you can go ahead and detach that or reattach that as you needed. And then the interesting about this is if I just go ahead and press this face, there's a push sensor, and you'll see the LEDs activating inside there. So it does kind of give it an illusion like it's almost like glowing, which is really awesome. And then, you know, you can always go and see the inner workings of it. There you go. So you'll see the light brick right here. So this will just go ahead and work when you just go ahead and push on it, just like that. And then just going to put that back in place just like that as well. So overall, a very nice build, definitely a great quality piece in terms of like block sets go. And makes a great, like almost like a diorama feel to it, especially with, you know, the hunter in the background as well as Gastly. And yeah, overall a really interesting piece and definitely very unique nonetheless. Now, if you guys had any questions about Gengar, feel free to comment down below. Otherwise, thank you again for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Take care now. Bye-bye.